I wanted to join FCA because of the opportunities, the experience, the diversity in people, and the chance to just grow and learn new things. Because it's like a different city here inside of this place, and the different types of people you can meet and new things you can learn. And again, the possibility for growth at a place like FCA seems limitless. The interview process went great. When I came in, the first thing they did was see who I am and try to get to know me. And then they asked me questions about my past work history and things of that nature to see where I would actually fit in FCA. And it made me feel like, they're not just throwing people at work. They're really trying to get the right people there. And the better you know the person you're putting somewhere, also the better chance they have of succeeding at that place. I decided that I wanted to come in and learn about FCA, just period, the company itself. And of course, that's a lot you're going to get out of, one, the orientations, and then two, actually being in a plant and seeing how it works. And then by the time Mack opens, I want to be already acclimated to it. It means security mostly, because I don't see this being a job that's going to be one and done, a couple months and out. I feel it's somewhere that I could stay and somewhere that people would want you to stay. And the way I've talked to the management and my line lead and all the people here, it seems like their motivation is to get you to stay as long as you can. No one wants you to fail. One thing I want to bring to the Mack team is experience, because I know it's something just opening and it's going to be a lot of people in there that probably haven't been in a Chrysler plant period before, So I can go in there at least having an idea of what's going on, and I don't have to start from scratch getting familiar with the way FCA operates. And I can pretty much kind of smooth on in, even though I know the jobs may not be exactly what I'm doing here, but I would know what's expected.